Alright, so these are almond flour Nutella cookies. It's 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup Nutella, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then chocolate chips if you want. And you are gonna bake them for about 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Almond flour, 1 cup. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Got your 1 egg. Alright, so this is what I have so far. I haven't added the Nutella yet. I'm gonna mix this up now with a fork just to break up the egg. Alright, so we need a cup of Nutella. I think I have a cup left in this. It's close. I can't really take the scooper thing and put it in there. A cup is 16 tablespoons, so like big spoon, 16 of these. I'm pretty much just gonna eyeball it though. I've found that if there's more almond flour, then the cookies tend to stay a little bit less flattened out. They don't move out and flatten out as much. And then if there's a little bit more Nutella in the mix, then they tend to flatten out a little bit more. It tastes pretty good either way though. Okay, so I've added the Nutella. Right now I think I have too much Nutella in there. I'm gonna see what's gonna happen here. I'm actually mixing this by hand. I've also already prepared the pans. I roll these up into little balls like the size of a spoon or whatever. I mean, it's not very big. Maybe the size of like a grape or something. Maybe bigger than that actually. And then I just kind of roll them up into a ball and put them right on the pan. The pan is lined with parchment paper, so nothing will stick to it. So to give you an idea, it's like this size. My hands are really messy. All right, so this is quite messy if you do with your hands. I gotta clean up, and I'll show you about how big of a size I used for these. So some are a bit smaller, some are a bit larger. Oven preheat to 350. We're gonna bake for 12 minutes, and then I'll show you what these look like in the end. Okay, so we have the finished cookies. They're still hot. The oven. There's one of them. They're about that size for the most part. This is one of the smaller ones. It's good. 12 minutes. Yummy.